Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Surya School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic tense. In my last videos, I taught you about the definition of tense. If we really want to which tense is used in this sentence, then we should know proper about verbs. It means that tense is that a form of verb which shows not only time of an action but also the state of an action. I have already told you that we can divide tense into three categories. Okay, present, past, and future. After that, I taught you about each tense we can divide into four categories: simple, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. Okay, after that we have discussed about present tense. You know very well that do, does, first form plus s or es. If we find any helping verb from these verbs, then we can easily say that present indefinite tense is used in the sentence. Okay, after that we have discussed about how to add s or es along with first form of verb. After that we have discussed about the structure of present indefinite tense, and after that we have discussed about usage of present indefinite. Okay, after that we have discussed about present continuous. After present continuous we have discussed about how to add ing along with first form of verb. Okay, after that we have discussed about usage of present continuous tense, and after that we have discussed about present perfect tense. We should use present perfect tense if we find has, have along with third form of verb. When any subjects like I, we, you, they and any plural thing, we should use have plus third form of verb. Rest of all subjects we should use has plus third form of verb. After that we have discussed about structure of present perfect. This is the structure for simple sentence of present perfect. This is the structure for negative sentence of present perfect. This is the structure for interrogative sentence of present perfect. This is the structure for interrogative plus negative sentence of present perfect. Okay, now I am going to tell you about usage of present perfect. This tense is used with the words like just now, already, never, ever, etc. We should use present perfect along with these words just now, already, never, ever. If we find any word from these words, we can easily say that present perfect tense is used in this sentence. Okay, to understand this rule in a better way, there is an example. I have already paid my fee. Okay, in this sentence already is used. We can use either has or have along with third form of verb in present perfect. If we write he in place of I, then we should use has. Okay, after that, in second rule, to express an action that has been finished in the recent past, we should use present perfect tense to describe the action that has been finished in the recent past. Okay, to understand this rule in a better way, there is an example. He has done his work. He has done his work. Okay, after present perfect tense, now I am going to tell you about present perfect continuous. In present perfect continuous, has been first form plus ing, have been first form plus ing, Okay. Has been, have been along with first form plus ing, these are the helping verb of present perfect continuous. When subjects like I, we, you, they, we should use have been first form plus ing. Okay. When subjects he, she, it, any name, we should use has been first form plus ing. Okay. After this, now I am going to tell you about the major point regarding present perfect continuous since and for. Now I am going to tell you about how should we use since or for. We should use since to express point of time. I mean to say that certain point of time. Okay. We should use for to express period of time. Okay. These are some examples of which are related to certain point of time like morning, evening, afternoon, am, pm, any year. Okay. If we find any time from these times, we can use, I mean to say that if we find any certain point from these certain time from these times, then we should use since. Okay. I have already told you that we should use since to express certain time. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about for. If we find months, hours, years, etc. If we find month, years, hours, in that case we should use for. These words highlight period of time. If any word from these words, if you find, if any period of time from this period of time you find, you must use for. Okay. In today's video we have discussed about the usage of present perfect tense, and after that helping verbs of present perfect continuous tense, and after that I told you about since and for. We should use since to express period of time. We should use for to express period of time. We should use since to express certain time. We should use for to express period of time. Okay. In my next video I will tell you about the structure of present perfect continuous tense and usage of present perfect continuous tense. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.